Yo guys, in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can get macros in Fortnite, and if you guys want edits like this, make sure to watch the whole entire video because this video is literally insane. I'm going to be doing an in-depth tutorial on how to do this, so you guys are going to watch the full entire video if you guys want to get edits like this. And also guys, if you guys want more videos like this, make sure to like and subscribe. But without further ado, I just want to show you guys into the tutorial, so let's get on to it. So the first thing that you guys want to do is actually go into the description, where there's going to be a bit.ly link, and then once you guys are there, you guys want to go head over to this recognized link that I will pull up for you in a second. Right here, as you guys can see, we have the recognized link right here, and this is actually completely working. So you guys want to complete the steps. So subscribe to myself on YouTube, and then you guys want to go back on here and subscribe to my friend Shadow. If you guys are watching this and you're already subscribed, you guys don't need to worry about this, and it'll just unlock the link because it's going to recognize that you actually are subscribed. So don't worry about that. Just wait around 15 to 30 seconds to actually recognize that you guys are subscribed, and then unlock the link. And it's going to take you to a link advertised link, and you guys may be asking, well, this says Fortnite Dev. Then you guys want to just go through the whole entire steps because this will lead you to the macros. So just watch the process. I'm going to be showing you guys how to do this step by step. So you guys want to go continue and then just go through the steps. It's very simple, guys. So just download it and double click on the link right here. And you guys want to press yes. And then you guys want to go on next, skip all, and then you guys want to open the link. It's pretty insane. And then once you guys are here, there you guys go. You guys may be looking, well, where's the Fortnite macro? It's right here. It's the third link down. So you guys want to press that. It's going to be another link advertised process. I know it is a little bit of a hustle, but it's literally how to get free macros. So yeah, you guys definitely want to do this. I completely think it's worth it. So you just want to close this out, and then you guys want to continue. And then from here, guys, you guys want to go on download. So make sure to download it. And you guys want to press save and double click on the download. Press yes. Next, skip all, and then press open. And then from here, guys, you want to go on to the setup. So go on setup, and then it's going to download. So once you guys do download that, just wait for it to download, and then it's going to pop up. You guys want to press save. And then you guys want to double click on the download. I already have it installed, so I can't really go through the download process for you guys. So I'm just going to press cancel because I already have this installed. Actually, I just press finish, and then run as administrator, and then you guys want to press close. Now it's going to open up this macro gamer edit file into your desktop. So you guys may be asking, well, what do we do now? So I'm going to be showing you guys. So you guys want to double click on this, obviously, and it's already running. So actually I'm going to pull it up right here for you guys. And then I already have one right here, so I'm just going to stop it because it's running. And then you guys want to go on create new. So create a new one, and you guys can name this whatever. I'm just going to name it macro video LOL. Okay. Now you guys want to go on to start recording. You guys are going to want to press your edit button, which for me is F. So you guys want to press F, and then you guys want to press a keybind that you don't use. For example, a keybind that I don't use is 9, so I'm just going to press 9. And then you guys want to press stop recording, and then you guys want to go on delay and make this 0.02, and then you can make the delay 0.02. This may take a little bit. Honestly, I'm just going to delete it because I don't think it matters. So you guys just want to go on to the delay for this one and 0.2. And then once it's all 0.2, you guys want to go onto the delay and press bind to key. And then you guys want to bind your edit bind. So I'm just going to press F. So it's already used by a different macro. So you guys want to, so it's used for this macro, which I created. So it's bind it to F. So you guys want to bind the key to F. So make sure to bind it, well, whatever edit you're using. I'm using F and 9, so I'm using F, so I'm going to bind it to F. And I actually have delay, so I put it as 0.02. I don't think it matters if you delete it, but if it does, make sure to keep it. So yeah, once you guys have that set up, we're going to load into Fortnite, and I'll show you guys what next to do. So just load into your Fortnite account, and I'll show you guys what next to do. Alright guys, and there you guys go. Once you guys are in Fortnite, you guys just want to load up into a build fights or whatever, and I'll show you guys what next to do. I'm just going to use this build fights because honestly it's pretty easy and I could showcase this to you, so. Alright, so once you guys are in it, I don't really know what happens, so we're just gonna start the game. Okay, now once you guys are here, you guys are gonna want to go into your settings. I'm just waiting for this to actually respawn me, so. Don't know why it's taking, oh, there you go. Okay, so once you guys are here, I'm just gonna choose a shotgun. You guys don't have to do this, I don't really know what I'm doing this, but. So then you guys want to go into, make sure you have the metal equipped. So you guys want to go into your settings, and then you guys want to go into keybinds, and then you guys want to scroll down until you find the edit. So you guys want to find the edits, and then so find the edits, what bind you used to edit. Okay, so for me, it's right here, select building edit. So select building edit, you guys want to choose the bind that you don't use. So for example, when you go in your macro gamer and you go in edit, whatever the hold and the release right here, you guys want to go on 9. So whatever you use, so when I said when you start the recording and you used the bind that you don't use in Fortnite, that's what you want to use for the building edit. So I did 9, and then I did F. So once you guys have that, you guys want to press run. And if you guys have any questions, you guys can leave a comment down below. But it should be working, and you guys should have your macros. So yeah, obviously I'm gonna fix this for a second. So yeah, you should. So yeah, guys, that's it. You guys should have your macros now, and you guys can actually use these in game and try to make stuff invisible. But yeah, that's gonna be the end of today's video. If you guys want more videos like this, as I said, make sure to like and subscribe, and yeah. But also, before I actually end this tutorial, I do just want to mention that but yeah, guys, that's gonna be the end of today's video. If you guys want more videos like this, make sure to like and subscribe, and I will see you on the next one. It has been your boy Radius. Have a good rest of your day. Peace out.